In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with drawio diagrams in Atlassian Confluence. First, sign into your Confluence account. Make sure you're opening or creating the page where you want the diagram to live. If your team uses spaces with permissions, verify you can edit the page you're working on. That way, everything you create will save correctly to the page. Next, confirm that the Drawio Diagrams and Whiteboards app is available in your Confluence instance. You can check from the apps menu in the top navigation. If you see it listed, you're good to go. If you don't, you may need to install it or ask an administrator to do it for you depending on your permissions. To install it yourself, go to Apps and choose the option to find or discover new apps. Search for Draw.io diagrams and whiteboards, open the app page, and follow the prompts to add it to your site. Installation typically only takes a moment, and once it's done, you'll be able to create diagrams directly inside any Confluence page. With that ready, open the Confluence editor on the page you want to enhance and type /drawio, then press enter. This shortcut instantly creates a new diagram and opens the editor. If you prefer the toolbar, click the Insert More Content button, the plus icon, search for draw.io, and select it. Both paths take you to the same place. When the editor opens, you'll see a template library. Pick a template if you want a head start. Flowcharts, org charts, and other common layouts are ready to go. Templates are great for consistency and speed. Just swap in your own labels and shapes to match your process. If you'd rather build from scratch, choose a blank canvas, give your diagram a clear descriptive title, and click Create. A good title makes it easy to find and reuse later, especially in large spaces with lots of pages. Inside the Draw.io editor, use the left panel to drag shapes onto the canvas. Connect them by dragging from the arrows that appear around a shape or by selecting a connector and drawing between elements. Double-click shapes to add text and use the formatting panel to adjust colors, line styles, and fonts so your diagram is readable at a glance. Zoom in for detail work and zoom out to check the overall flow. When you're done, click Save and Exit. Back on the Confluence page, publish your changes to make the diagram visible to your team. If you need to revise later, just edit the page and open the diagram again. That's it. You're ready to create clear professional diagrams right inside Confluence.